大家好，有閒情相聚嘅時候，今日我會介紹就係喺昆士蘭嘅道格拉斯港 Port Douglas。Welcome to my Chit Chat time. I'm going to talk about Port Douglas, which is a very popular place to visit as part of Queensland. 道格拉斯港呢係一個好受歡迎嘅旅遊區嚟嘅。咁你見到佢入去呢個海灘之前啦，佢兩旁咧種嘅樹都好靚啦，啲馬路其實都係好乾淨同埋比較闊嘅。Port Douglas attracts a lot of visitors, both local and overseas. I can see there are lots of big and nice trees along the road. The resorts nearby are very nice too. 咁呢個沙灘嘅沙呢，其實都好幼啦，亦都好白嘅。咁天氣呢，就唔係太好嘅，就冇好大嘅太陽。咁但係呢，佢嗰個風咧就比較大啦，咁所以咧見到啲浪咧都幾大嘅。咁如果唔係大風嘅時候咧，其實呢個沙灘就係好靚啊，好乾淨，行起上嚟咧都係好舒服嘅。The sand here is fine and white, subject to the weather. It's not very sunny today and a bit windy as well, so I can see the wave coming from the ocean. If the weather is good, it should be a very peaceful and nice walk.咁 Port Douglas 除咗佢有個沙灘之外咧，佢亦都係有一個小區嘅。咁佢個市區咧雖然唔係好大㗎，但係基本上好多大大小小嘅鋪頭啊，賣嘅嘢都好靚啦，有啲係本地㗎啦，有啲係澳洲普遍喺超級市場啊或者係百貨公司裏邊見到嘅鋪頭都有㗎。Let's have a look at Port Douglas CBD.It is not a small one and has both local and other shops. It's very centralized and convenient. 嚟到 Port Douglas 記住要睇埋佢個星期日嘅跳蚤市場啦。The Sunday market also attracts a lot of visitors, which is a very interesting place to visit. Port Douglas 咧亦都係一個好方便嘅碼頭，容納唔同大細嘅船啦，亦都有一啲嘅水上交通咧係接駁到去一啲大嘅郵輪嘅喎。Port Douglas has a very nice pier for different sizes of water transport, which also connect to the big cruises. 希望你鍾意呢條片啦，記得訂閱、分享呢個影片，俾我 like 同埋俾啲意見。下次再見。Remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Bye now.